Okay, in this installment then, why do you need to learn math? We're gonna just brainstorm a little bit about, well, maybe there's a career out there that you could go after and you really don't need math. So let's see if we can think about one. Or maybe even several. Maybe there's stuff out there that you like that you really don't need math in. So let's see. I got it. Oh, I got it. You can do sales. Don't need no math in sales, right? Wait a minute. Okay, I go and I sell an order or sell a house. How much money do I earn? Oh, somebody will figure that out for me, right? But what if I really want to know? Uh, let's see, what would they call that? Sales. Oh, commission. Well, what's a commission? That's a percent of sale. Oh, wait a minute. Percent? I didn't think I needed to know math for sales. So, let's see. Say I sell an order that's worth $100,000 and I make, say I make 7% off the deal. How much money do I make? Boy, I'd sure like to know, is that a good thing for me? That'd be a good career. Let's see. One sale, let's see, I would make $7,000. Well, that seems like a good career, but but wait a minute, I gotta split it. Maybe I have a broker to work with. Well then, what if they take 4%, and then, oh wait a minute now. Nah, I don't want to do this job. It's too much math. Maybe we can find something else. Let's see. So we'll forget about sales. Well, I sure hoping that would have been it. Seemed like a lot of money. Let's see. Oh, gotta be a carpenter. That's it, carpenter. Carpenter. What do they need? Carpenter. All we gotta do is. Oh, wait a minute. They use a ruler, don't they? Oh, that's got what? Numbers on it. Numbers. That sounds a lot like math, doesn't it? So if I need to cut a board and I need 8 feet, 10.5 inches, well, do you know how to read a, well, that'd be pretty easy. Oh, but wait a minute, now I need to make some steps. Well, how do you make the risers on the stairs? Oh, that's going to use a triangle. Wait a minute, triangles, didn't we use that in math class? Oh, forget it. I don't want to know carpentry, too much math again. Let's see. Oh, hey, I got one. I'm just going to learn music. I'm going to go teach music. What's music got to do with math? Oh no. What are those things at the beginning of a, they call it time. But they got 4, 4, 3, 4. Wait a minute. That looks a lot like a fraction. You keeping a beat? Well, what are fractions? How would I know anything about fractions if I didn't learn math? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there's some math in music. And patterns, there's patterns in it. Notes, different notes. And recognizing patterns. Yeah, it sounds like there's some math in that too. Well, we got to get something, because if I didn't learn any math, then I don't want to have to do something where I got no any math. So I guess we can't do music. Let's see. Cooking. Oh, sorry, I keep drifting off that camera, darn it. Maybe I just want to get away from math. Cooking. Yeah, we can do cooking. I can be a cook. I don't need to know anything about math. Okay, so I'm going to mix a bunch of stuff up in a bowl. And there's an ingredient list. Okay, good. I just get to get messy with stuff and learn how to use different ingredients. And I open up the book and it says add 3/4, wait a minute, 3/4 of a cup of flour. Okay. Well, there'll be something on there, 3/4 of one little fraction. That's not a big deal, is it? Oh, but somebody told me now that I need to triple the recipe. So I need to have 3 times the recipe. So how much flour do I add? Well, how do I multiply 3/4 by 3? Shoot, it sounds like math again. 9/4. How would I measure 9/4? Oh, wait a minute, but I had to know how to do that in the first place. Alright, we can't know math again. Forget it. Another career. So we can't be a cook or a chef. Because we got to know some math, so we got to think of something. Well, let's see, all the engineering stuff is out. Chemistry, physics, engineering, even computer programming. And there's going to be a lot of logic involved in that. Is logic math? Well, there are. You know, if you got a truth table, anybody heard of a truth table? That's logic. You got 2 statements. You get a truth table. You have a true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. That sounds like 1s and 0s, and so forth. That's math again, or logic. So there's going to be a component in programming even. What else could we do? Statistician's going to be all math. Oh, there you go. Phi-ed. I want to be a gym teacher. What does a gym teacher got to know about it? Well, let's think. Gym teacher's going to have to go to school. Going to need to learn some anatomy. Going to need to learn diets and stuff. When we get into diets, we get into ingredients again. Oh, but from that cooking job, we had ingredients. We started using numbers, started talking about calories, how to stay in shape, burning off calories. What's your body mass index? You know, 15.75 or whatever number it might be. Oh, we got decimals here. What is a decimal? That's math again, darn it. There's got to be something. Boy. Well, how about the people that they say they're going to go flipping burgers? Why do you need to know about flipping burgers? Well, if you're working there, you might be SRN in the cash register. Bill comes at $15.75. They give you $21 after they already gave you the 20. So they give you another 1. And you go, well, why do I need that extra $1? But now I can't punch it back into the cash register. I guess I better just call the manager. Because I wouldn't want to have to think that, well, let's see, add $1 to $15.75 on the 20. That gets me, oh, I give them $5 back. A $5 bill with the change. Oh. It would be convenient to know some math there even, wouldn't it? Man, the world is just so limited. What if I want to be a CEO of a company? Well, I better know accounting, I better know how to keep the books, better know how to read the reports. Man, I was hoping for you guys. I was trying to find something where you didn't need to know math. But you know what? I just can't think of anything. Maybe if I just went and used a shovel, I could go out and do landscaping or something. Oh, wait a minute. See, if I'm gonna lay out something, I'm gonna need to know how much area it's gonna cover, how much rock will cover an area, how deep is the rock gonna be. Now I'm starting to get into volumes. Man, what are you gonna do without math? I guess you better just learn math. And you would be thankful if you did. That's all for now. Take care.